Hello everybody, this is Arun Rana from speakjournal.com and today we have all new Micromax Canvas HD. Here's the box pack of this smartphone. So we are going to just review this smartphone on our website. So let's start the review process. Here's the box pack of this smartphone. This is the front view of the box pack, the rear view, the side view. Here's the Canvas HD logo, Micromax logo. Here's the details written over here. Imported by and manufactured by Micromax. And MRP, the main thing, MRP is given here. It's 17,499. Manufactured in February 2013. So this is the rear view of this box pack. Specifications are mentioned over here. Processor is 1.2 GHz quad core processor, Android 4.1 Jelly Bean, 5-inch IPS display having resolution of 1280 into 720 pixels, which is amazing. Supports 3G up to 21 Mbps. Camera, the 8 megapixel autofocus camera with flash, 2 megapixel front facing camera, internal memory of 4 GB, 1 GB of RAM, GPS, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and the sensors are light, proximity and the gravity sensors. Battery is 2000 mAh, providing talk time of 5 hours and standby time of 174 hours. So let's open up the box pack. Here we go. This is Micromax Canvas HD. This is the rear view. Let's place it here. Let's see what it has inside. This is micro USB. This is Micromax standard charger. The earphone. The battery of capacity 2000 mAh. Here is the user manual of Canvas HD and the other things with warranty card. So let's start the review. So this is Micromax Canvas HD. It's look very nice. The glossy white back panel of color white. The black color. This is the combination of white and black. So it's looking very nice. And it is much lighter than the earlier version Canvas 2. So on the front side we can see in-call speaker over here, the front facing camera, the sensors, 3 touch sensitive button over here. On the right hand side we can see a power button. On the left hand side we can see the volume rockers by which we can just increase or decrease the sound level. On the top side we can see 3.5 mm audio jack, the micro USB jack. On the bottom, microphone. On the rear side of this smartphone, 8 megapixel camera over here, LED flash, Micromax logo and the speaker out. So let's open up the handset. In Canvas HD there is a hole given over here to open the back panel, but in Canvas HD the hole goes here. So let's open up the back panel. So here we go. 2 SIM card slots, SIM 1, SIM 2 and the micro SD card slot. Here's the SAR information over here, Micromax logo, IMI number, etc. Let's put up the battery inside it. This is Micromax 2000 mAh battery. Here's the standard SIM. Let's put it inside the handset. The battery. Now let's power on the handset by pressing the power button. So here we go, Canvas HD logo. The graphics and the logo. Looking great. Very impressive. So here we go. This is the main window of the handset. From here we can just remove the notifications. So the touch is very responsive, as we can see that. Working very fine. There is no home window by pinching. So you can't decrease or increase the windows. So there are 5 windows provided on the home screen. Let's open up the menu section. The touch is working very smoothly, no lagging whatsoever. These are the widgets. You can just hold it for some time and can place on your home screen. If you want to place this widget on your home screen, just tap it and it will be there. If you want to remove this widget, just hold it and remove it. So Jelly Bean is working very fine over the device. So these are some pre-installed apps on the device. So let's quickly move to the settings. Now about the phone. So as we can see that the model number of this handset is Micromax A116. Android version is 4.1.2, that is Jelly Bean, the latest version of Android. Now go back to the menu. So here we can see that wireless and network settings, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, data uses, more. From here we can just tethering and portable hotspot. We can use these facilities. User profile. From here you can just change the setting. The display. The wallpapers. Let's see the wallpapers. These are the pre-installed wallpapers on the device. These are the new wallpapers. First time by Micromax on any device. Looking very great. So you can just set any one of them which you want to select. So let's check the brightness. There is the option of automatic brightness, which tells you that it has a light sensor. If you check this box, then the brightness will be automatically adjusted by the light sensor. Now move to the storage. Here we go. Total space available for installing apps is 0.98 GB, as you can see here. Total space available for user for saving their personal data and files, etc. 1.77 GB. You can just select the preferred storage by going here. If you have installed or put it an external SD card, the option will go here. Let's check out the RAM. So here we go. We can see that the internal SD card just hold for some time so that, yeah, here we go. 162 MB used and 1.6 GB is free from internal SD card. This is the RAM. 304 MB is used and 668 MB is free. So there is enough RAM, memory is free. So these are the apps we have installed on this device. So let's check one more time. 160 MB is used internal SD card from an internal SD card. So this is the app memory. Apps we have used 118 MB and free is 890 MB. So we can install lot of apps on this device. So now let's check out the other things on the handset. Now just check out about the system. So we can see that device name is Micromax A116, CPU ARM V7 processor, clocked at 1 GHz, 1.2 GHz. Now let's check the other option. Display resolution, as we say that 720 into 1280 pixels. GPU is Power VR SGX 544MP. Here are the sensors: accelerometer, proximity sensor and the light sensor. Now quickly move to the camera quality. So this is the 8 megapixel rear facing camera is going on. Let's check out its quality. This is autofocus 8 megapixel camera and we have just clicked one image. Let's see its clarity. Looking very nice. You can just zoom it like that. So if you want to take another picture, you can just click by going through this section. Sound is pretty good. So here is the image we have just captured. Looking very nice. Camera quality is better than that of we have seen on Canvas 2. You can just record video from here. Now you can just recording videos. You can also zoom like that. This is first time we have seen on some Micromax device. This zooming technology is first time used by Micromax and I like that very much. You can also autofocus while recording videos. This is also first time by Micromax. In Canvas 2 there is no autofocus while recording videos. So you can just tap on here to save the video, and now from here you can just play it out. Now you can just recording videos. You can also zoom like that. This is autofocus we have seen on some Micromax device. So as we can see that the camera quality is superb. For me it's amazing. Let's quickly move to the settings of this camera. Store location, exposure, color effect, scene, white balance. You can choose what you want to change. Self timer, auto capture picture and the video option. You can switch off the microphone and video quality you can just edit from here. So the camera is pretty good. Auto flash you can just remove from here. And let's quickly check out the front facing camera. So this is front facing camera, looking very good, working fine. The clarity is very good. Let's click some pictures. You can also record video with this camera. It goes like that. You can just check out from here. So the clarity is very good of 2 megapixel camera. Let's start with quadrant standard benchmark test. run full benchmark test. So here we go. Let's wait for the results. And here's the results. My device result is 3944. So this is quite impressive. Let's do it one more time. Here is the results. Again 3988. So benchmark is quite impressive. Let's do another benchmark test, that is Mark 2. So here we go. So here is the result, 40.4 FPS. So let's run one more time. .6 FPS again. So this is the benchmark test by Mark 2. Now let's quickly move to the Linpack benchmark test. Run single thread test by clicking here. It's 36.689. Let's run one more time. Again 36.529. Run one more time. It's 35.689. Let's run multi-thread test. It's 78.486. One more time. It's 82.156. So quite impressive benchmark scores. Let's test multi-touch. So it's supporting 5 touch points. You have just put all fingers more than 5 and it's showing only 5. So it means it's supporting only 5 touch points. So this is all we have the benchmark scores from this device. So we have just reviewed the device and we found it's working fine and up to the mark. The quad core processor working very fine. There is no lag whatsoever. Let's do some browsing over the device. Let's open our website, that is speakjournal.com. Auto rotation is on. You can see here, and the website is just opening. So here we go. Let's check its auto rotation. So this is our website, speakjournal.com. Opening normally. The touch is very smooth. Let's open the post. So here we go. So the text is clear. You can just zoom it like that. Zooming is pretty clear. We can easily read what we want. So here's the image. Here the comment section. So the browsing experience is pretty good. The camera is pretty good. The benchmark score is not that bad. So for me it's a must buy smartphone priced under 14,000 rupees. So you should buy it from Micromax official site. For more information regarding latest news and happenings, please stay tuned with us on speakjournal.com. Share your views in the comment section. Thank you.